Hi guys, how are you today? Thank you very much for watching my video and joining me in. Hope you're all well. Today I would like to share with you my opinion on the new fragrance from Lancome, which is Belle Intensement. So this fragrance is actually on my wish list, so I can tell you already now I really love this fragrance. It's beautiful. I don't own it, but I want to own it, and I have it on my tester from Boots. I just sprayed it on, so I have it on now today. I sprayed it on my wrist as well, so I could test it. I actually tested it for a few days now, so I can tell one thing or two about it. So I wanted to share my opinion on this fragrance. It's beautiful fragrance. It's very sweet, so first impression when I sprayed it on, it was like wow for the first smell. It's very sweet and fruity, and I love sweet and fruity fragrances. And it's very rich, it's very playful, very happy fragrance. It's like happiness in a bottle. It's so gorgeous fragrance. It's a bit powdery as well. I think what makes it powdery is the iris in there. It's very berry scent. It's very alluring, very sexy, joyful, playful, and I would say you can wear it like on a day and night as well. It's quite well rounded, but because it's so rich, it's yeah, you can wear it in summer. Yeah, it's very well rounded, really. Spring fragrance as well. It was just launched just probably about a month ago, just now in 2020. It's very delicious. It's a lovely scent. I sprayed it in the shop. I went to shop, I sprayed it on my wrists, on the paper, on the tester, and I went home and I was thinking, I forgot about it, and I was thinking later on like, oh, what is it? What smells so nice? Oh, it's me. Oh, what is it? And then I remember like, oh, it's this fragrance, Lancome, Belle Intensement. So, and I thought, wow, it's so nice. So I thought I've got to get this one. I can't wait to get my hands on it. I think it's the best so far in their line. Lancome is generally well known for very long-lasting fragrances, and honestly, this one is so long-lasting. It's really lasted like all day long. Lancome does something good with their fragrances, like they've got magical long-lasting fragrances. I've got one from them that is La Nuit, Trésor, La Folie, and that's also like it's just lasts all day as well. So this fragrance, Belle Intensement, it reminds me a little bit of other fragrances that's like on similar vibe. So if you like, let's say Miss Dior, Absolutely Blooming, it's this one, or Poison Girl from Christian Dior, like this, or In Love With You from Emporio Armani. It's them all have got like similar vibe to Belle Intensement. If you like all these three, then you will definitely love the new Belle Intensement. It's got similar fruity notes in it, like raspberry and pink pepper. But here in Belle Intensement, this fruit note, raspberry, is more dominant and stronger, and it's very vibrant. It's just like, it makes you feel like you're walking in a sunny day through nice pinky fruit garden, just so alive and so happy, just very lively fragrance, I would say. It's not cheap fragrance, it's quite pricey, so you have to be prepared to spend a few money on it. or you can wait like for some sales or discounts. But does it worth it? Yes, it definitely does worth it. It smells amazing and it lasts very long time, and sillage is like really good, like about 3-4 meters distance. So it's got all places, tick 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 tick. Julia Roberts again appears in the advert. She's again very nice looking, beautiful with her smile, you know, like on the bottle there is this U like a smile, so that's where it comes from beautiful smile of Julia Roberts. How you can recognize this scent from different from this line is that on the bottle, on this one, the bow is slightly like sparkling, so that's how you can recognize this one in their range, the belle Intensement. And this, I had this paper for a few days now actually, and I can still smell it. It's just amazing. It's amazing, and I really can't wait to get my hands on it. So would I recommend it? Yes. What I would rate it, like 10 out of 10. I don't have it yet, but from what I've tried, and I walked around and I've tried it on my skin and on my clothes and on the paper and everywhere, I would rate it definitely 10 out of 10. I just love it, and I think it's quite well rounded as well, so it's quite versatile. Sillage is great. It's like really strong, really strong, and it's very long lasting. I don't see any fault in this fragrance at all. It's just beautiful, fruity smell, and it's suitable for almost any occasion, I would say, and it's very sexy. You can wear it on a date as well. Yeah, I love it. So I think that's about it that I wanted to say about this fragrance. I can't wait to have it. I can't wait. So if you want, go try it in the shop and let me know what you think. What's your thoughts? Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are not subscribed yet, you can press this button and hit the notification bell. I'm gonna try to post video like every week now. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next one. Bye!